Welcome everyone to JD Live. First one is a powder. This one. It's a really tiny, shiny red box with the Coca Cola title. And inside it looks like that. With a mirror and a sponge. And it has a protector and the powder itself. And the exact name is Coca Cola Oil Clear Blotting. It's a powder packed for finishing your makeup. And the other one is a tint. This product, it has a really cute bear on the top, and if you shake it, you can see snowing. It's really cute. It also has the Coca-Cola title, and the exact name is Coke Bear Lip Tint, and the color is 03 Fizzy Brown. So let's see. Let's try the powder first. I usually don't really use powders. I don't like the really matte makeup, and I also don't like this really shiny one. So I usually just do a slightly glowy makeup. That's what's fitting me more. Through the day, I will not retouch my makeup. After about 4 or 5 hours, we will come back home and I will check up my makeup. How it looks like, did it get oily or not? The weather is really hot outside, so yeah, maybe it will get a little bit messy. We will see. I can see the powder a little bit. It's not as natural as I usually do my makeup. But I guess for the summertime it's okay. But the powder itself is really smooth, and my skin is usually oily, so I'm curious how much can it control my skin, control the sebum production. Okay, so the next one is the lip tint, this cute Bear Lip Tint. It does have a Coca Cola smell. It's not that bad. Actually, it's really great. Okay, the color is definitely not brown. It's a red color, but it's a kind of cold red. I don't like this orangey, bright red colors. My skin tone is cold, like winter type, so I prefer the cold lipsticks and cold makeup. No orange at all. I hate orange. The point is the long-lasting effect, and does it drying my lips or not? After a few hours, we will see about that. Okay, so this is the end of the day. I put on the makeup in the morning, and this is how it looks like after maybe 10 or 12 hours now. It's already midnight. And all day long I was outside. Today it was about 30 degrees in Seoul. I was eating and I spent time outside in the hot and humid weather. So this is how the powder was holding up, and also the lip tint. I think it's quite good. I can see some breaks, mostly around the nose area, but other than that, I didn't feel my skin that oily at all. I don't feel it stuck my pores. I think it's fine, but it was not so natural. Mostly in the sunshine, I could see the powdery surface. It was too much for me. About the lip tint, I think it's amazing that it's still even on my lips. I was licking my lips, I was eating a lot, like not just dry food. I was eating soup and kimchi and rice and I don't even know what else. So it's not that nice now, of course, after 12 hours. And because it's a lip tint, lip tints usually have a darker areas and they leave a lighter area. For me, it's mostly inside my lips. It's darker, so it's a little bit weird. I need retouch sometimes, but of course I didn't. I only put it on in the morning. When I was making the video, I didn't retouch anything and it's still on my lips, so it's not that nice, but it's really long lasting. I was not really caring about my lips. I tried it in a hard way. I was really eating a lot, but it's still on. I think it's really nice. Okay, so now let's see some information about the abilities. Thank you, bye bye! I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our new channel, JD Live. See you next time!